What the hell is that?
Patricia suffered a great injury.
What happened to sweet Patricia?
Him and I were outside and looking at his fellow friends. He's lost the ability to fly, but we like to watch his friends.
That does happen to birds with death.
All of a sudden, I just hear Patricia was lying like this instead of the usual. And there was blood everywhere. I don't even know.
How? Okay.
Patricia was stung by a bee.
There's a lot of things wrong with that story.